Hello, I am Adriana, and today I will show you how to easily assemble the Adiabatic cooling unit ADRIAN AIR. Before we start, subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the news. The cooling unit is supplied in a compact package. Inside, you will find all the necessary components neatly and securely stored. The first step is to secure the control unit in the prepared location. Firmly screw the unit in place. The assembly of the legs follows. During assembly, pay attention to the correct orientation of the legs and ensure that the parts fit together well. This is what the bottom of the unit's bath looks like after installation. Proper fastening is important for its stability. After installing the legs, place the top cover onto the structure and align it with the corners. The next and most important step is to connect the water pump. Slide the transparent hose onto the neck. Secure the hose with a metal clip to ensure a perfect seal. Guide the other end of the hose inside the structure to the upper distribution part. Insert the discharge valve into the prepared opening. From the outside of the cooling unit, secure it with a plastic nut and tighten it firmly to ensure the valve is properly seated and sealed. After connecting the wires according to the diagram, check all the connections. Then fit and securely close the cover of the control unit. The final assembly step is the installation of the brown filter blocks into the side walls of the Adiabatic cooling unit. The installation of the radiator is quick thanks to its thoughtful design, and you can manage it in a few steps in just a few dozen minutes. ADRIAN Group, professional solutions for efficient adiabatic cooling.